Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about stylish hand embroidery designs. Hand embroidery is a beautiful and traditional art. It is made with care and creativity. Hand embroidery uses needle and thread to create designs on fabric. Each stitch is done by hand. This makes every design special and unique. Two hand embroidery pieces are even the same. There are many types of hand embroidery designs. Floral designs are very popular. Flowers look soft, elegant and timeless. They are perfect for clothes and home decor. Traditional patterns are also loved. These designs shows culture and heritage. These are often used on authentic dresses. Hand embroidery adds richness and beauty to any outfit. Hand embroidery designs are used on many items. You can find them on suits, sarees and blouses. They are also used on cushion covers and tablecloths. Even simple fabric looks special with embroidery. Beginners can start with simple stitches, running stitches in easy to and neat. Back stitch is strong and clean. Chain stitch looks decorative and beautiful. Choosing the right fabric is important. Cotton fabric is best for beginners. It is easy to stitch and comfortable to hold. Light colored fabric shows designs clearly. Thread section also matters. Cotton threads are soft and easy to use. Silk threads give a shiny and rich look. Choose colors that match your dress design. Hand embroidery is not just art, it is also very relaxing. It helps reduce stress. Many people enjoy embroidery as a hobby. With practice, embroidery skills improve. You can try new patterns and designs. Slowly, your work becomes neat and beautiful. Hand embroidery is a journey of creativity. In the end, hand embroidery designs are timeless. They add beauty, tradition, and love to fabric. Whether simple or detailed, embroidery always look special. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can wear these very beautiful and trendy hand embroidery dresses in the birthday party or wedding party with matching sarees, matching blouses. You can visit my channel for more designs and more ideas. So friends, thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you again. Allah Hafiz.